If you think your LED bulb is broken and are about to throw it away, stop. Don't make this mistake. Instead, place the faulty LED bulb in the holder, remove its lid and take a small piece of wire. Strip both ends of the wire and turn on the switch to test the bulb. When the faulty LED is bypassed, the remaining LEDs will light up as soon as the wire makes connect. Simply remove the defective LED, replace it with a small wire piece and secure it with tape. Once you turn the switch back on, your bulb will work again.